The things that you imagine every single day are directing the flow of your life events. And in this video, I want to show you how you can use that exact power of creative visualization to more deliberately control this flow towards what you do want. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use visualization in your create your own reality practice to manifest more deliberately and more effortlessly. Before we get into the video, I just want to mention that I'm doing a free giveaway of my reality transurfing cheat sheet. All you have to do to enter to win is comment down below the phrase I am and give this video a thumbs up, okay? I'll be selecting 2 winners every single week. But now, creative visualization. How is imagination, visualization going to help you get what you want? Visualization is the act of using the power of your awareness, of your attention, to experience any reality that you can imagine right now, that you can perceive, that you can conceptualize and think of. And in Create Your Own Reality teachings, the power of your awareness is your greatest power. We emphasize awareness more than action for a reason. Right? Action is equally important, but where it's coming from is what determines what it will do. So how can we use your awareness in the best possible manner? Well, first I want to show you the power of awareness, and then we'll talk about how to do it properly, okay? Do this real quick, right? Relax your body. And I want you to place your full awareness on just the sound of my voice. And you can close your eyes for this to really just hone in. Just do it for like 10 seconds right now. Close your eyes and just full awareness away from everything and just fully onto the sound of my voice. Okay? And you'll see how focused your awareness got on my voice, right? Now use that same awareness to just place that same awareness in your left foot right now. Just fully feel your left foot. And I know this is weird, but trust me, it'll all come together real quick. Place your awareness fully in your left foot. Tune out everything else other than the sensation, the feeling of your left foot. Okay, now you probably had a better experience of your left foot than you were before. Now use that same awareness to feel your right hand. Full awareness in your right hand. Just place it there right now. Feel your right hand right now. Just 2 more, okay? Now place your awareness in your past. Think about or imagine your last birthday. Maybe it was just last month, maybe it was a couple months ago. What did you do on your last birthday? Imagine that. Okay, place your awareness in your last birthday, in the past. Now place your awareness, lastly, in the future, in something that you would like to occur. Something that hasn't happened yet, but you would really like for it to happen. So why did I just have you do this exercise? You probably already had some sort of realization, but if you didn't, that's okay. Why did I have you do this exercise? I want to get my point across that your body and mind are very limited. They are limited to this physical space, right? Like, let's just say you're in China right now. Your body and mind can only be in China. They're limited in that way. In the present moment, they can only be right there. They can only do a certain amount of things at once. However, your awareness is infinite in its capacity. Your awareness can go anywhere. It can be anywhere. It can be anything. It can experience anything, not just from now, but also from the past and things that haven't happened yet. Every single possibility that lies before you, your awareness has the ability to just go through those possibilities right now. And you do this on a constant basis, on a daily basis, when you are imagining maybe even your worst case scenarios or things that could potentially go right for you. And you're doing this on a constant basis when you're thinking about the past, how things used to be. Maybe they were better, maybe they were worse. But realize, okay, and this is what I'm trying to emphasize to you, and this is why I want to get through to you why we emphasize the power of awareness. Because the power of awareness is infinite in its capacity. It can be in your left hand right now, it can be in your right hand. It can be in the past, it can be in the future. Awareness is not limited to space-time, whereas your body and mind are. And how does this tie in with visualization? Visualization is the act of using your awareness to experience any reality that you want right now. You, who you are, my friend, on a greater perspective level, right? You think you're this body and mind, but who you are is essentially something much greater. You are that awareness that has infinite potential to manifest whatever you want, to live out any reality, to experience anything that you desire. All infinite parallel realities are available to you. All infinite experiences, whatever you can conceptualize, that you can imagine, is a possibility for you. And your awareness has the ability to experience that not tomorrow, not a month from now, but today, right in this moment. Whereas your body and mind can only experience what has physically manifested. And this gives you a huge advantage to experience whatever you want right now. Matter of fact, you unconsciously visualize so many things every single day. Think about so many things every single day. And then your body and mind follow your visions, right? How many times have you experienced where you constantly thought about the worst case scenario and like your worst fears manifested? Your body and mind are following your awareness, your imaginations. And so you can consciously take control of this process by visualizing the reality that you do want, the things that you do want in your life, the person that you want to become. Because it is a potential, right? Like if you can imagine it, it exists as potential and it is available to you for manifestation. So visualization is the ability to actually sit down, first of all, realize this, how powerful visualization is. So you sit down and you use the power of your awareness to visit a reality that you want to experience. And now your body and mind are still here in this physical space that has manifested, but your awareness is entirely somewhere else where you'd rather be maybe. And by constantly doing that, your body and mind start to follow. How? Visualization directs the flow of your life events towards your imagination, towards the vision that you are constantly projecting through your awareness. Meaning, let's just say you visualize yourself being a doctor. That's your goal. And you want to work in a hospital and you visualize that every single day. Literally, the flow of life events from that point onwards, from literally this moment onwards, as soon as you open your eyes after the visualization, now the flow of life events are directed towards what you have imagined. And in the physical, follow up with action, right? Act on your vision and keep it going. Naturally, you will start seeing that the vision brings opportunities into your life and then you act on them. Maybe you still keep visualizing. And so it's like this constant process between visualization and action, but things move a lot more effortlessly. Things move a lot more seamlessly until you find yourself living the vision that you had imagined. Literally the person that I am today, the life that I live today, like none of this personal mastery quest stuff would have ever existed if I didn't use the power of my awareness. Because my body and mind were in a very limited space, right? My body was ill and my mind was just plagued with doubt and fears. They couldn't have never created what I am currently living. However, my awareness was infinite in its capacity and I started to exercise my imagination and practice it every single day. And by constant visualization, the dreams that you didn't think were possible for you start to seem like they are possible for you. You build courage out of nowhere. Your fears start to kind of melt away. You start to act more willingly. You let go of being lazy. You actually just start to move forward in a positive energy. And through that, your manifestations start flowing into your life. Things start clicking. Now you know why I wrote in the title of this video, Insane Life Hack. Because visualization, that's exactly what it is. It is an insane life hack. Something that you should be definitely taking full advantage of. Now you may say that I'm just bad at visualization, Sonny. I can't imagine at all. I've tried many times. But listen, this isn't a skill that you were taught when you were a kid. This isn't a skill that you were taught growing up. How many things have you started to do in life that once were impossible? Literally like driving a car, riding a bike, even writing, reading. Every skill in life requires you to practice. You cannot just become good at something the first time you try it, okay? Which is why I'm going to urge you to practice visualization. You cannot get good at it just like this. You have to do it consistently, and you have to build your skill of visualization. But it comes as easy as it did to me, as it will to you, as it does to anybody else who is amazing at it, okay? It's not something that is only there for a select few number of people in the world. You will be good at visualization, but you have to practice. You have to actually do it every single day and enjoy it. Not like think of it like practice, you know? Don't think of it like a chore. Don't force it, but actually want to do this. It is for your benefit. You know, like the only reason you don't want to do it maybe is because you don't fully realize the benefit in it. Try it out for a month. See how it impacts your life. And then you will never have to convince yourself to visualize ever again, because you will just do it naturally because you have realized the benefit of it. Lastly, to make your visualizations effective, carry out any sort of action when you open your eyes, like when you're living your life now in the physical with your current body in mind, with your current reality. Carry out whatever action is required of you, right? Work towards your goal. Take steps towards your goal every single day. Through doing that, and while pairing that up with visualization daily, just doing it as it feels good, you will start to see how effortlessly and seamlessly you start to move forward. Your visualization feeds into action. Action feeds into further visualization. Your vision keeps getting clearer. You start building more belief that it is possible, that it is happening. And action continues to execute on all of those feelings, all of those, that internal happiness and inspiration. Okay? Now, if you want to further learn how to visualize properly and building that consistent visualization practice, click the video on the screen and watch that entire playlist. Actually, I have a couple of videos on visualization, okay? But other than that, if you want one-on-one coaching, learning how to manifest your reality at an accelerated, faster pace, click the link in the description box below and schedule a call with me. Other than that, subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video.